To my YouTube channel. My name is Jerry Wealth, and if this is the first time you are coming in contact with my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so that anytime I post a free update like this that pays you in dollar, you'll be the first person to be notified. And make sure you like and share this video to your friends and everybody around you so that they'll also have an opportunity to watch this video. All right, so this is a free opportunity like I always bring to your doorstep. I don't bring an investment opportunity. I bring you opportunity that enables you to earn money free of charge using your smartphone and your data. Okay, so now let's hop in. So when you are in this particular update, to get this link is going to be in the description of this video. Okay, so kindly check the description of this video for the link to this particular update, and also don't forget to join my WhatsApp community so that you can have access to other updates and opportunities like this. Okay, just in case I might not make video on them. Okay, we have other sub opportunities that we share on the WhatsApp community. Okay, so check the description of this video to join my WhatsApp group. Very important. All right, so don't forget to subscribe and like. So when you are on this very when you click on the link and register with your email, okay, this is the interface. This is where it's going to take you to. Okay, so once it opens, it's going to show you buy. Okay, just click on buy and proceed, and you're going to buy this NFT. Okay, so they'll give you $20. Okay, the $20 will enable you to buy this very NFT you're seeing here. You can see this is $20 and it's going to be earning you 0.1 cent each day. Okay, so when you are done with that, when you click on buy, when you're done with that, okay, so what you need to do, the next thing is you click on this one that says lottery here. You can see lottery here. All right, so you click on lottery. So when you click on lottery, you can see each day you are supposed to spin 5 times. So you spin 5 times. So once you click on go, okay, you can see I've already spin 5 times, so that is why it's showing like this. Okay, come back tomorrow. So once you spin 5 times, now you click on this one that says sign in. You can see sign in on top here. You click on sign in, then you click here, sign in. All right, so once you sign in, you'll be given each day that you sign in, you'll be given 0.1 cent each day. Okay, so when you are done with that, that is all you need to do. To share this your link, okay, just come over here and copy this link here and share to your friends. All right, if I click on assets now, okay, if I click on assets, you can see I don't have anything here, but if I click on this withdrawal, you can see that I have done a withdrawal today. Okay, look at it, look at 1 minute ago, you can see that. So I'll click here and then okay, I have done a withdrawal. So let me show you my payout. You can see this is the payout. You can see this withdrawal was done today. You can see that it was done today. Look at it, look at the date. So I test run 2 USDT and it actually went successfully. I received it in my Bybit account. So that is why I decided to make this video, because I've actually test run the update and the update is actually genuine. It works for free. So make sure you hop on this video, check the description of this video for the link, register. Don't forget to join my WhatsApp community so that you can ask questions and I'll be able to answer you in case you are confused in any part of this. All right, so like I said, when you click on the link, you register with your email. It's the first interface that is going to show you is going to be asking you to buy. Okay, let me see if it's going to bring that out. Okay, I think because I've already gotten it, you can see welcome to fintech new Nixos. Okay, sign up for $20 for free and get 1 NFT daily. It provides you with 0.01 cent. Successfully purchased can participate, like you can do the lottery like I've told you, you know. So now so when you sign up, it's going to show you this buy here. Okay, when you sign up, it's going to show you this buy. So you click on buy. Okay, so you come over here, see this place that's written confirm buy. You click on confirm and you click confirm. You can see that. So once you are done, you are good to go. Just exit from here and come back. Okay, so you click on the lottery here. So when you click on the lottery, it will take you here. So you do this, please. You can only spin five times, like I said, per day. So once you are done with the lottery here, you click on this one, sign in. You put it on sign in. All right, you sign in, and then you're good to go. You share your link to your friends and your family. All right, so that is it. That is a wrap for it. It's not that hard. So kindly check the description of this video and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I share opportunity like this, you'll be the first person to get the update. You're welcome.